Good morning. It's a pleasure to welcome you to the June 30th, 2023 special school board meeting. It's 9 a.m., and I call to order the special meeting. I wish to extend a warm welcome to everyone present. As is custom of the board, we'll begin this meeting with a moment of silence, so please rise. Thank you. We'll pledge allegiance. Flag of the United States of America and the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible. Roll call.
Christy Chong, present.
Will Furry, present.
Colleen Conklin, present.
Cheryl Massaro, present.
Kathy Middlestad.
Okay. Our school board attorney is on vacation, but she is joining us by phone. So we have her connected, so everybody knows. At this time, I want to welcome and introduce to the audience the Honorable Melissa Dessler, Judge. Judge Dessler will be presiding over the swearing-in ceremony of our interim superintendent, LaShaka Moore. Judge Dessler, if you will please do us the honor of presiding over the oath of office for Ms. Moore.
Test.
Could please, is this working? If you could please raise your right hand. I do solemnly swear or affirm
I do solemnly swear or affirm
that I will support, protect, and defend
that I will support, protect, and defend
the Constitution and the government of the United States
the Constitution and the government of the United States
and the state of Florida,
and the state of Florida,
and I am duly qualified
and I'm duly qualified
to hold office
to hold office
under the Constitution of the state,
under the Constitution of the state,
and that I will well and faithfully perform
that I will well and faithfully perform
the duties of interim superintendent
the duties of interim superintendent
on which I am now about to enter.
on which I am now about to enter.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations to our newly installed interim superintendent, LaShaka Moore. And if you'll please join us at the dais. And I'd like to take this opportunity to thank Superintendent Middlestat for her 3 years of service and elevating excellence.
Thank you. Thank you, Kathy. Congratulations.
Thank you. All right, we'll now move to the business and special meeting. Are there any agenda changes?
We have none.
We have none. Public comment? There's no public comment. We've already did. All right, we're going to request the board acceptance of the closeout of the 23-24 fiscal year. May we have Ms. Patty Wormack?
Morning, school board members and Chair Massaro. I am here to do the fiscal year closeout. First, I would like to just tell tell you this is the biggest crowd I have had for any finance-related items. So thank you all for coming out to support me today. This is just for informational purposes only. This is something that we have to do for the audit. So I'm simply going to read the closeout information that you see on board docs. The final payroll check issued was 783358. The final payroll direct deposit was 900642156. The last accounts payable check was 3247786. Last accounts payable ACH was 222300974. And the last refund check was 20735. The last item you see there is with regard to the assigned fund balance in our policy 701. It states that the CFO has the right to assign fund balance for any shortfall in the budget. We do this every year in case it's needed for the 23-24 fiscal year budget. With that, I would ask for any questions and acceptance of the closeout for 22-23 fiscal year.
All right, Board, do we have any questions?
Move approval?
I have a
One
motion.
correction, for the record, can you restate the beginning of what year that this is a closeout for?
22-23 fiscal year.
All right, so we have no questions. We have a motion from Ms. Conklin. I need a second.
Second.
Second from Ms. Chong. We have a motion from Ms. Conklin, a second from Ms. Chong. And any comments? Hearing none, I'll call the question. All those in favor, say aye.
Aye.
Aye. All those opposed, it passes unanimously.
Thank you.
Thank you, Patty, you and your
Thank
team.
you, Patty. Yep. All right. We're back to discussion. We didn't have any citizens' comments, board member comments, superintendent comments on that. And then we're going to go for a motion to adjourn.
So, board member comments.
Board member comments, go.
I just want to, again, I know many of us got a report on our academics, and it was nice to see an increase, and in some cases, a double-digit increase in almost every single academic area that we received reporting on so far. So, Superintendent Kathy Middlestat, I would like to thank you for continuing, as mentioned earlier, to elevating excellence. It was evident in those test scores that came back yesterday, so thank you very, very much on behalf of our students, families, and our staff for that. Lashaka, I know you have a great relationship with Kathy, and you know those shoes are big shoes to fill physically. And, I meant, never mind.
She's got big feet. Yeah.
I was going somewhere and I realized they both probably have pretty big feet, but anyway. Leave it to me to lighten the load. But seriously, congratulations. We look forward to working with you, and this will be an exciting 6 months. Looking forward to it.
Any other board comments? Hearing none. Intern superintendent, do you have a comment?
I want to take a moment just to say thank you for this opportunity. It definitely is an honor to serve our community. I've been invested here in this community for a long time, and so we want to continue to move forward with great work that has already started, really focusing on student achievement, also helping to stabilize our organization through internal standard operating procedures, as well as working collectively with our community stakeholders in order to ensure that we're providing the best education possible for our students that also meets the needs of our community as well. So I'm really excited about this opportunity, and I look forward to the next 6 months.
Very good. All right, hearing no other comments, I need a motion to adjourn.
Move to adjourn?
A second. All right, we have a motion from Ms. Conklin, and a second from Mr. Ferry. Any other comment? All those in favor say aye.
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 Aye. The motion passes unanimously.